This is student dashboard of Back-to-Campus website. This is our main feature, skill evaluation. Instead of resume, we evaluate skills using proof like projects and certificates. AI generates a skill passport score like this. SkillTwin, it is your AI predicted future self. It shows growth projection, future skill, AI insight, etc. Career roadmap creates a step-by-step plan with weekly tasks, micro goals, progress tracking, and job readiness. Alumni directory. This is the list of alumni. You can search them based on these filters like batch, by company, like Google, etc. Mentor matching. Based on verified skills and goals, AI matches students with the most relevant alumni mentors saving time for both. You can send them connection requests, also withdraw them. Wellbeing agent. A built-in AI agent that tracks stress, burnout signals, motivation, and provide guidance, break, or mentor escalation when needed. University Insight. Data-driven insights for students showing skill in trends, alumni career paths, placement pattern, gap between current curriculum and industry needs. Now head towards the alumni dashboard. This is mentor dashboard of Back-to-Campus. It shows total sessions taken by mentor, how many students he helped, his average rating. He also accept the request he wants, or he can decline the student's request of mentorship. These are the sessions he has confirmed for taking. He can reject the session also. It shows his expertise also. He can also connect with his peer, alumni, and batchmates. Thank you.